A spring compressed by 0.2 meter develops a restoring force of 25 newtons. Now, there is a spring. It is compressed by 0.2 meters. So the spring tends to come back to its original position. So it has got a restoring force, and how much it is? 25 newtons. Now, a body of mass 5 kg is placed over it. Calculate the force constant of the spring, the depression of the spring under the weight of the body, the period of oscillation of the body if the body is disturbed. Now, let us have some diagrams to understand this. This is our regular spring without any compression. Now, this spring is compressed by 0.2 meters. That means it's like this. So this is 0.2 meters. Now the spring wants to come back to its original position. So the restoring force that the spring has developed is given to be 25 newtons, and x is, that is the displacement of the spring, is 0.2 meters. So let's now first calculate the spring constant. So we know that F is equal to minus kx. Here minus sign indicates only that F and x are in opposite direction, so it has got nothing to do with that. So k is equal to F by x. That is 25 divided by 0.2, which is 1.25 newtons per meter. This is 1.25 newtons per meter. Okay, now what has happened? Now a body of mass 5 kg is placed over it. Now for this spring, now 5 kg mass is attached to the spring. We already know that this spring has a constant of spring constant or force constant of the spring is 1.25 newtons per meter, 1.25 newtons per meter, and this is 5 kg mass is attached. What do you want to find? The depression of the spring under the weight of the body. So now the spring, after putting on 5 kg weight, gets stretched. Say, let's say this is the depression. You want to find x. Otherwise, this is the length of the spring. Now the spring has been under depression. You want to find that depression. Let x be the depression. I'll show that here. So this is the depression. Now you want to find the depression. See, now I can take x from this relation. I just want to find out x. K into x equals F. Therefore, x equals F by K. But here, the force acting on the spring is due to the weight of the 5 kg suspension. So here, F is equal to weight of the 5 kg, that is mg. This is 5 into g is given as 10 newtons per kg. So this is 50. Therefore, x equals 50 over the spring has a constant of 1.25. So 50 by 1.25 is roughly around 0.4. Therefore, x equals 0.4 meter. So this depression's length will be around 0.4 meter. And lastly, you have to find out the time period when the body is disturbed. So if you now disturb this body, the spring will start oscillating harmonically, and this harmonic motion will have a period which is given by the formula T is equal to the oscillation of a spring. T is equal to 2 pi into root of m by k. This is the direct formula to calculate the oscillation of a spring. So putting the values, 2 pi into root of 5 kg mass divided by 1.25 spring constant. So T is equal to 2 pi 1 by 5. Therefore, T is final answer of t is around 1.256 seconds. 2 into 3.14 divided by 5.